Now I started here because they here are caught, and then I go through here and come out there. I try this. Okay, now we started from the other side, also from up to down, and there it is. I will make some glue on it and tape, and now we have to wait. Yes, okay. Okay, friends, I'm through the shade. Therefore, also you have to turn and to pull. Turn and pull, and then it comes out. Because this on that side is a very bad passage. Also, you have to start here and end there. This piece is from the bottom, comes out here, and this is the old line. This is the broken old line. The old line I have to cut here and then make in the new line, which comes from here. This is the new line, and I connect the new line at that piece here, therein. Yeah? Okay. And then I put this back here and let the new line going here, so. I make 6 knots and also glue on it, so that he is very stable. So, the weight is coming in now. In the middle we make the weight, the iron, and then at the last we put in this. The iron load you have to make in at the left side, at that side, and not. It is not possible to put him here, that knot. It comes also from the other side. Show you. So. So, well, he comes. No, he comes in. White one. I made some soap on it. There. That is easier to move.